Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove dust from your charging port on your cell phone, also known as charging port cleaning. This is something I have to do about every 2 to 3 months because putting your phone in your pocket or your purse or whatever over time can really pack in dust inside the charging port and prevent your cell phone from properly charging when you have it connected to your charging cable. So without further ado, let's jump into the steps I do to remove dust from my charging port. Okay, so I have my cell phone here. First thing you're going to want to do is grab yourself a wooden toothpick. You never want to use a metal, like, a paper clip or anything like that, because that can damage the inside of the charging port. But what you want to first do is kind of gently go in there and scrape apart any dust that's compacted in the top of the charging port. Because for step 2 here, it doesn't work as well if the dust is compacted. Okay, and then just take some dust and lint remover, compressed air. I'll put a link below if you want to purchase some of this stuff on Amazon. Really cheap. And then just spray in there, and you usually see a ton of dust come flying out. Well everyone, I hope you enjoyed today's quick video on how to clean the charging port on your cell phone. If you found this video informative, please give it a like, and we'll see you in the next video.